Hello friends, it's Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade, and I have a review for you guys today, as well as some important news about the 30 and 30. You'll notice that it is Tuesday and I hadn't released any videos over the weekend, which I had planned to do, but things have come up in life and I'm going to need to spend the next couple days at my parents' house. So not only is this the only video you'll have for the next couple of days, I think, but I think I'm going to have to start my 30 and 30 in a couple of days, because I can't film at my parents' house. My setup's here, and anyway, you guys understand, I hope. Anyway, but today I have an amazing review for you. I had the opportunity for my birthday to try another indie polish brand, and she had her polishes half off, so it enabled me to try 5 of them, which is crazy. And it's LynB Designs. I love this logo. This is just fabulous. So let me show you what I've got. I've got Anticipation, which is how they say it in the Rocky Horror Picture Show. And here is the bottle. It's a black with a bunch of different sparkles. And here is the actual swatch. So the next one we have, and they go on beautifully, and they were all basically, except for this one, and I think this one, maybe this one, I don't know, but half of them were one coat wonders. So this one is called, this is great, Sherlock the Dragon Slayer. Look at that beautiful, beautiful polish. That is fabulous. Alright guys, so we have 3 more. This one is a nice deep blue with silver sparkle, and it's called Celestial Beans. And then, oh, let me show you the other 2. So here's Sherlock the Dragon Slayer. Look, 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 there we go. And here is Celestial Beans. It is also on this hand. I used Galactica, a Moira stamping plate, one of my very favorite. When I still sewed, I had corduroy that was this exact pattern. So this Manny brings back really, really wonderful memories. Anyway, so I've got 2 more. Let's see. Spotty and Dotty all over. I almost read that out, Snotty and Dotty all over, which is not right. It's spotty. Really, really cute polish. I'm getting to really love these white speckled polishes. And that is right here. And then last but not least is gorgeous Je ne sais coffee. Or I guess it would be Je ne sais café. Or Je ne sais rien de café. Anyway, so we have another Manny in this one, and forgive me, I was testing the dryness of the top coat and I tore my decal, which is awesome. So I didn't photograph that one, but I you know, I am wearing the beautiful polish on all my other fingers. So let me show you the swatch of this one. It's a nice big one. Je ne sais coffee. So that is gorgeous. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really helps me out, and it will enable you to hear about when I start 30 and 30 and things are gonna start going real fast and furious. I keep saying that, and it's really true. I have so many plates to review for you guys. You've only seen like half. So anyway, do comment and like. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Check out LynB. I think she's having another sale right now. Check out the Instagram. When there are discount codes, they'll be in their Instagram. So I'm really impressed with this brand. I'm really impressed with this brand. So let me know what you guys think too. Do you have experience with LynB? What do you think? I will see you soon, but not for a couple of days. So catch you on Friday probably. Bye.